Sunday morning, a little after 8, we're starting our bike ride here at Sailing Club. It's a little overcast. It rained a little bit this morning, but it looks like it's a good morning for a bike ride.
Và kiểm soát hiệu quả dịch bệnh với 6 nguyên tắc cơ bản cốt lõi: y tế là trụ cột, là trung tâm; kinh tế là cơ sở, là nền tảng; dữ liệu khoa học công nghệ là then chốt; ổn định chính trị xã hội là trọng yếu; và thường xuyên vaccine phát triển bệnh và thị trường dân là điều kiện tiên quyết.
Here's the city square. Hello.
Để thiết lập trạng thái thích ứng an toàn và linh hoạt áp dụng cho từng địa phương, bảo đảm hài hòa giữa nới lỏng từng bước và an toàn dịch bệnh, trong đó đặt mục tiêu hỗ trợ cứu nạn người dân lên trên hết.
The waves are really small. Ocean is calm. And the water's looking much cleaner now. This is the beach right by Nha Trang Center. Nha Trang Center's over there. We'll keep riding north. This is at the northern end of central Nha Trang. It's called Nha Trang View, little coffee shop. See a lot of nice bikes here. I think there's some visitors from probably Ho Chi Minh. Beautiful bikes, huh? Wow. And here's how it looks from this side. Glassy faces on those waves, how beautiful. Unfortunately, they're not really surfable right here because it's shore break. So we're gonna look at the north and see what the waves are like over there. All right, we'll keep on riding. Here is a little hidden gem. Before you get to the north part of Nha Trang, like the main north part, which is right over there, the University of Nha Trang is, on that side. There's a marine research facility right over there. This area was owned privately, and last year it went back to the government. So the government, it's government-owned land, and whoops, gotta be very careful here. You can ride your motorbike over there. People come here to fish. I guess there's good little fish to catch over there. So it's open to the public. You can come here. There's no guards here, so you gotta really watch your stuff. This is what the north looks like today. It's now about 8:40. The research facility is right there. You can see the dome right there. So this is on the other side of that. And it's very calm over here. Really nice place for families. There's where the snorkeling spot is right there. There's a lot of beautiful coral, a lot of colors. You have to go out past that rock, that big rock right there, on clear morning, and you'll see them. Beautiful. Last time I went, there were a lot of huge fish as well. I think they're parrotfish. It's very low tide right now. You can see a guy out over there standing on a rock. There's a lot of rocks over here, so be careful. Stay within the buoy line over there, and you should be okay. But it's a nice day. We'll take a shot from the other side so you can see the other side. This is the center part of this beach here, where they have the tourist chairs across from the main buildings. You can see a lot of little kids here. Okay, I mentioned this a few times before, it's a lot safer over here for little kids to play than in the center, because the waves are typically smaller here, as you can see by comparison. And it doesn't get deeper and deeper as much here as it does in the center. So it's much safer here. You could leave your kids to play. Over in the center, you gotta watch your kids all the time. Maybe in the summer when the waves are tiny, it's okay. But this time during the year, you gotta really be careful in the center. This is the north part of North Nha Trang. It's like a little port, but not really. There's no pier here, but a lot of boats do park out here. And as you can see some on shore there. So this is the very north part of main Nha Trang. We're going to keep on going north so you can see what's up there. We're going to go to Amiana, very, very, very popular resort. Nice place for a Sunday breakfast and a dip in their pool and enjoying a day there. Very good deals right now. So this is it. Tiny waves. The weather's really pleasant right now still. So here's Amiana. It's a little bit after 9. So less than an hour to come up here. You can see they're very busy. It's a great place to come for breakfast. So up this hill, when you make that turn right there, the ocean's right there. This one goes up higher. I'm not gonna go up there because I'm on this bike. On road bikes, it's a lot better because it's easier, thinner, you know, just made for riding these long rides. But this bike is good enough to get around Nha Trang. We have these available for rent if you want, daily or monthly. Let's get on back down the hill. Hello.
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 It's kind of nice that it's overcast right now because it keeps the temperature very nice, and it's just really a nice time to come out and enjoy Nha Trang Beach.